Welcome to War India News Hour. Newer trends in IoT to disrupt the year 2021. IoT is forecasted to be a major disruptor in 2021. It is expected to reshape technology and businesses. IDC expects that global IoT spending will return high growth rates in 2021 and achieve a combined annual growth rate of 11.3% over the 2020 to 2024 forecast period. Today, millions of people have moved to remote work, putting themselves at risk of cyber attacks due to a lack of effective cyber protection measures. As more and more employees move to remote work, cybersecurity specialists and IoT advocates are now developing new technologies and IoT-enabled security strategies to bridge this gap. AI continues to support the critical processes of companies and governments, helping to ensure uninterrupted delivery, social distancing, and even help accelerate understanding of the novel COVID-19 virus, leading to an accelerated rollout of the COVID-19 vaccine. Specifically in e-commerce, research suggests that AI will enable organizations to market more effectively to their customers based on behavioral data consumers have exhibited through this massive economic shift due to COVID-19. To this point, artificial intelligence-enabled IoT is projected to continue to accelerate business and foster new innovation in today's new dynamic business landscape throughout 2021. Secondly, when we see how the trends are impacting in the areas of industrial IoT or IIoT is defined as machines, computers and humans enabling intelligent industrial processes using advanced data analytics for revolutionary business outcomes. It is going to play a big role in industrial IoT in 2021. The evolution of 5G will make a great impact on the connectivity of the industrial IoT industry. The 5G network will allow the IoT devices to communicate the data at a faster speed, increased security and greater reliability to support mission-critical operations. Let's look into today's headlines in War India. Japan sets a world record with fastest internet speed set at 319 Tbps. Innovations are the core of Japanese and the innovations have changed the world. A new technology developed by Chinese engineers has broken all the records of data transmission speed of 319 terabits per second along an optical cable more than 3,000 kilometers, that is 1,864 miles long. They used a combination of rare earth minerals, a new kind of fiber optic cable and a laser system. It's almost twice the 178 Tbps record set in 2020 by UCL engineers. That achievement used a coupled 3-core optical fiber, a technology that channels data along 3 optical fiber tubes rather than one as in the currently standard, in order to reduce signal distortion over long distances. The 390 terabit speed used similar technology but with 4 cores. Another widespread supply chain attacks fixed after CDNJS bugs found in Cloudflare. Cloudflare, web infrastructure and website security company, last month fixed a critical vulnerability in its CDNJS library. CDNJS is a free and open source CDN service trusted by over 12.7% of all websites on the internet, serving over 200 billion requests each month, powered by Cloudflare, which makes it faster and easier to load library files on your websites, and it is an open source content delivery network, that is CDN, that serves about 4,041 JavaScript and CSS libraries, making it the second most popular CDN for JavaScript after Google hosted libraries. The weaknesses in the CDNJS library update server that could potentially allow an attacker to execute arbitrary commands, leading to a complete compromise. While this vulnerability could be exploited without any special skills, it could impact many websites. Will provide food at 40% discount with only Rs 3,000 crores loss, says Harsh Goenka. RPG Enterprise Chairman Harsh Goenka on Saturday took a swipe on the success of food ordering and delivery company Zomato's IPO, saying he is looking to start an app like Zomato or its competitor Swiggy and will provide food at 40% discount with a loss of only Rs 3,000 crores. He further said on his Twitter handle, "If you think the loss is less, I will give a 60% discount. I will then list it at rupees 1 lakh crores. It seems there is a great amount of fun in the loss-making business." Talking about the recent IPO of Zomato in terms of financials, Zomato is a loss-making company. It incurred a loss of rupees 816.42 crores in fiscal 2021, rupees 2,385.60 crores in fiscal 2020, and rupees 1,010.51 crores in fiscal 2019. However, analysts have raised questions on the valuations of the company as they believe its path to profitability is not clear. The latest release of iOS 14.5 update slowing down the iPhones. Apple again is getting into controversies with the newer update of iOS 14.5. The scandal surrounding the artificial slowdown of the iPhone with worn-out batteries. Initially, Apple denied the accusations, but after a series of independent research and widespread publicity, it was forced to admit guilt. Moreover, the company is slowing down newer models, including the iPhone 12, according to the new acquisitions. The Consumer Protection Society in Spain, OCU, has written a letter to Apple asking it to justify the slowing down of iPhone 12, 11, 8 series and iPhone XS after certain iOS 14 updates. These updates have significantly damaged consumer devices, causing the battery to drain faster, the OCU said. The organization has demanded that Apple compensate users for obsolescence practices. Two arrested in Hyderabad for cheating rupees 1.96 crores from the Cooperative Bank. The Hyderabad cybercrime investigators arrested two persons identified as Yasin Basha and Mohammad Rafi from the Saralingampalli region in the plotting of bank fraud. As per the reports, both persons colluded with an African national to execute a plan to siphon off money from Telangana State Cooperative Apex Bank's account. Based on a complaint filed by the Telangana State Cooperative Apex Bank's Deputy General Manager, crime branch sleuths nabbed them. During the investigation, the police team found that the accused had allegedly cheated the bank through an IMPS channel amounting to rupees 1.96 crores between July 9th to 13th. That's it for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News magazine. Stay tuned. Thank you.